Are you looking for a video that how to connect hosting a domain name with your blogger.com? Yes, you are watching the right video. In this video, I will cover up how to set up domain name with Blogger. And if you want to learn that how to purchase a domain name on hostinger.in, you can watch my previous video. The link is given in the description or click I button. You are watching Etlogs. Let's get started. Open a browser on your computer and get logged into Hostinger and Blogger. I have already done it, as it is the continuation of the previous video. Once you are in the Edge panel of Hostinger dashboard, go to DNS Name Servers and scroll down. Click all the default CNAMEs and others. Now go to blogger.com. Click Settings. Scroll down to Custom Domain Name. Click the URL. You'll get pop-up window. Now type www.yourdomainname.com or whatever the domain extension. Click Save. You will see pop-up message. Click Update. Wait a few seconds. You will get highlighted message in the red text. And read the message carefully. Now copy the destination like something google.com. Go to Hostinger. Click the type and change A to CNAME. Delete @ and type www and then paste the copied destination in target. Don't change the TTL number and just click Add Record. Again go to Blogger, copy the name. Back to Hostinger. Select CNAME and paste the copied name and go to Blogger. Copy the destination and return to Hostinger. And paste the copied destination in target and then click Add Record. Now copy the URL and paste in a new tab and hit Enter key. Scroll down to step 3, optional. Copy the Google IPs one by one to Hostinger. Let's copy the first one. Back to Hostinger. Keep type A and name as @ and paste the IP address to points to and click Add Record. All are same. I need to change this number from 32 to 34 and follow these steps for entering all the IP addresses. Make sure that don't forget to type name as @. Once you finish all the setting off, come back to Blogger and click Save. Click Update in the pop-up message. Wait a few seconds. Yeah, I have successfully setting off my blogs Etlogs with Hostinger domain name. Make sure that turn on all the HTTPS to keep your domain name secure. Let's click View Blog. It's not working. Let's type www.etlogs.com and hit Enter key. 404 error. The requested URL / was not found on the server. That's all we know. Oh, no way. You might be worried at this time. Don't be worried. Just wait a few minutes. It's almost 5 minutes. Let's reload the page. The site can't be reached. Okay, I'll wait some more minutes. Now, it's almost 15 minutes. Let's again reload the page. Wow, my blog Etlogs is successfully connected with Hostinger domain name. I'll be back with a new video. Stay tuned to Etlogs.